Hey guys, welcome back to in this video. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to set up Google Ads search campaign A to Z for plumbing business. So let's get started. I invest the business and who establish and make the Google Ads plan. So also you can see here, this is my Google Ads campaign. Where's your ad group? Also, finally, I will create site link or call out structure snippet. So, so let's get started. So, first of all, I'm going to Google Ads dashboard and click the new campaign. So the new campaign. So this is my website. I will run search campaign. Like okay, so don't waste any more. Let's jumping to the just 1 minute. This is our Google Ads. So choose your objective. So my objective is lead. Lead mean this business also uh, local business. Then lead generation. So I can select the lead. Okay. Then continue lead. Then continue. Then use the conversion goal. So my conversion goal is submit from. So then continue, then search chat. Okay, then continue. Okay, this then continue. So start now. So this is our Google. So right now we will set up the location and network. Okay, so first of all we'll select the bidding. Okay, bidding. I can choose the click. Okay, you can ask me why I select the click, because this is a new Google Ads account. uh, that's mean I will select the click. Okay, after that three or after the third or fourth conversion, then I will move on the uh, conversion, maximize conversion. Okay, exclude the search partner, because then select the location. Okay, my location is Los Angeles. So then our language is English. Then next, click on the next. Okay, then next, then skip. Okay, so this is our uh, right now keyword and ad. So also I have researched the keyword. So this is my first ad group. I'll This is the keyword. Okay, this is all keyword, and right now we are provided on the final URL. Add it, final URL. This is our final URL. Sorry, this is our final URL. This is our final URL. This is our So put here the final URL, then add. Okay, so our part is add. So just 1 minute. I am here too. I am here. So that line, and also this is my second headline: emergency plumbing. Okay, then our number third, plumbing repair near me. Okay, our this is our third headline. Then our first plumbing repair. This is our fourth number headline. Okay, then trailer service number five headline. Okay, then I select the description. Okay, this is our description first. This here, okay. Then a second description you need emergency. Okay, so this is our description. Alright, alright. It's just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, guys. So this is our second description. Okay. Okay. I hope you can understand how I can put headline and description. So now I'm add the site link extension. Okay. Site link extension, then call out extension, then structure snippet. Okay. Click the plus icon and create a new site link. Okay. Then put here site link name. So my site link first site link plumbing repair. Okay. Just 1 minute. This is my site link name. Sorry. This is first site link name. Okay. Then you can provide description, one description for 20, 30 5 character. Okay. Then number two, book a service today. Then provided final URL. Okay, I hope you can understand how to create site link extension. Okay, so now I'm at the call extension. Our most important, our call extension, then call out. Okay. A problem internet. So just 1 minute. So I select the call extension, right? Sorry, this one. Then click the plus icon. Okay. So this is my call number for the United States. Then okay, you put your call number, then apply. Okay. So I'm not show the advanced level Google Ads setup because this is a long video. Okay, so our campaign is done, then publish. So by the way, I'm a Junad, a Google Ad, especially I am provided Google Ads service, PPC, PMAX, YouTube. So if any need Google Ads help or Google Ads service, just message me. I will provide WhatsApp number, the description below. Thank you. See you soon.